Okay guys, so it's Sunday here in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. You know what that means, we're having open houses. There's actually 8 open houses today in the community. John is actually sitting in 14071 Heritage Landing Boulevard. It's unit 314. It is a golf condo, a terrace condo. It is the Arbor floor plan, so we've got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, fantastic view of I think that's the 11th hole out there. You've got a pond, you've got the golf course, you've got golfers. They're off into the distance, so they're not, disturbing your privacy or anything when you're sitting on your back lanai. And then beyond the golf course and the golfers is the preserve, and that's environmentally protected land. So what I'm telling you is this view is going nowhere. It's going to be there forever and ever, amen. And it's beautiful. Ground floor, easy peasy for those with mobility issues, maybe wheelchairs and walkers and so forth. If you have pets, the ground floor is kind of the place to be, right? We are steps away from your mailbox, steps away from your storage, steps away from your parking spot, and just across the parking lot is a satellite pool. So convenience is the word of the day here for that unit. It's priced at $258,500. We are open to all offers. So if you're interested in a golf condo, this one just might be for you. It's aggressively priced with that golf, and it's really one you want to check out. Okay, and then I am going to be today at 14167 Poppy Field Loop, and I'm in unit 5722. Of course, I've got signs out there so you can find me. I am on the back side of the amenities center, so you just walk down the street, your steps from the amenity center. Backyard, super private. Woods, okay, you've got a nice preserve, no lights, no noise, no privacy issues. I mean, it's just quiet and serene and lovely. Now inside we have tile floors throughout. You don't see that in the Bay Creek models. The bedrooms are usually carpeted, but in this one we have tile throughout. We have some nice high-end fans and light fixtures and things like that. It's cleaned out, it's move-in ready. It's a social membership, so lower HOAs for you. The condo association covers everything with the condo, and the master association covers all of the amenities here in this community. So you get the best of all worlds for a fantastic price. We're priced at $360,000. We just found one that's sold for $360,000, just closed the other day. So you want to come make me an offer, please do. I'm going to be here from 1 to 4. And again, it is 14167 Poppy Field Loop in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. It's unit 5722. I can't wait to hear about your wish list.